Hello, my boss.
Hey, boss.
What we are doing over here now?
You're the manager, I'm the boss.
Yeah. Today only.
So I'm the manager, you're the boss?
You used to be my manager, and I'm the staff. Okay, today we are talking about our first video, which is about
some bitcoins. Little bits of corn. You
Okay.
go out to the farm, you pick them up from the ground. You got bitcoin.
And they actually grew up so quick.
Corn
In
bits.
2 or 3 years, you can actually make 10 times easily.
Yeah, a couple of years ago, those bitcoins were worth $15,000 each, and now they're worth $55,000 each.
Yeah.
These bitcoins.
And I remember
Very good.
when I actually first noticed about this Bitcoin is back to just a little bit before COVID. Let's talk about 1 to 3,000, and then all of a sudden it become 10, and then
That's right.
20,
Yep.
and then when I look at that, it's fucking crazy, man.
Absolutely fucking hell. A
Yeah.
couple of years ago, before there was $15,000 for one corn bit of corn,
Yeah.
and then
Which
now
is
it's
nothing.
55. So it's
Which is
gone up 3 times.
Virtually nothing, but it's worth something, and I still don't believe, and then one night after I drinking, just like my normal life, and then before I sleep, and I open the app, which is the CMC, which is what CMC stand? Market maker, which is off market,
Coin market cap.
something like that.
Coinmarketcap.com.au. No,
Yeah. Anyway, you use
coinmarketcap.com.
it's a leverage. You have
Oh,
say about-
CMC account.
Yeah. You have
Ah.
$1,000, and then you can actually bet for 10 times.
So just for the viewers, CMC is short for CoinMarketCap. It's a website where you can check the price of Bitcoin and all the other cryptocurrencies.
Yeah, it's
But
one
the
of the
CMC
platform.
you're
Anyway,
talking about is a market.
it's
a
a
broker,
platform. It's a platform that you
platform
use.
market that you use to trade Bitcoin on. So you bought some Bitcoin on CMC, did you?
Yeah.
How many did you buy?
Actually,
And how much
at
did you
that night
pay?
I'm pretty drunk, and I put 1,000.
You're pretty drunk, isn't that pretty much standard for you
Yeah.
all the time?
Actually, I bought 30 Bitcoin, something like 30 or 40. I
30
don't know.
Bitcoins.
And then after I collapse after drinking, sleep, and then overnight, and then wake up, and then, oh yeah, last night what did I do? I bought some Bitcoin, 30 or 40.
30 or
And
40
when I look at the
Bitcoin.
account, 1,000 Australian dollar. Winning. One night.
That must
It's
have been,
crazy.
That
It's
must have been
crazy.
really early
Early,
because
early.
that was the time when they were only worth less than $1,000.
Yeah.
You know what I heard about Bitcoin?
Only a few thousand.
Roughly about more than 10 years ago. So if somebody came into one of the people that I work with in the office came in and said, "Have you heard about this thing called Bitcoin? What the hell are you talking about?" They said, Bitcoin is this new kind of digital asset, digital currency that you can buy. And I started to look into it, and you know what? I opened an account with Mt. Gox account.
Yeah, some
I
platform.
put a couple $100 in there, and at that time the Bitcoin was only worth one Bitcoin was less than $1,000. So I think I bought 1 or 2 Bitcoins.
When you're in Japan,
Yep. I was in Japan. I
and
was working there.
that money is Japanese dollar or
I put Japanese yen in there, and then
a few hundred Japanese yen.
20,000,
Which is
30,
nothing.
30,000 Japanese, 300 Australian dollars.
Okay.
Bought some Bitcoin with that, and then I was very happy. It was going up and up and up and up. Went for 1,000, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then, you know the whole
Yeah.
story, right? It keeps
Yeah,
going
I
up
know,
and up
I
and
know.
up and up and
I
up.
know.
And oh, so happy! Oh, look at all the money I've made, and then Mt. Gox went bankrupt. Son of a-
The platform bankrupt. And where's the money then?
They recently paid it back out.
Oh, they still pay a little
Paid
bit.
it back out.
A little bit.
Yeah, but I didn't have any evidence of it, and I lost all the records of it, so
Oh shit.
I didn't get my money back.
Yeah.
I did register with them, but yeah, didn't get
So
my money
that's the
back.
risk. That's the risk about this stuff. It's the platform. Whether the platform is good or whether no one can tell you at those moments because it's so new.
Yeah. Well, now everybody knows the only safe way to keep your Bitcoin
Because
is
when
by
I'm-
keeping it on your own wallet, on your Tether, is it? What do they call those?
Digital wallet.
Digital wallet that you can cold wallet that's
Yeah,
disconnected from the internet.
It's not hard work. It's always cold. It's always
Look, that's
digital.
awesome.
Oh yeah, small one.
Small one. Customs everywhere around here.
Unrelated. Anyway. It's Australian wildlife.
Yeah, well,
Awesome.
Can you imagine? Like I was buying Bitcoin way back when it was sub $1,000,
Me too.
and now it went up to 74,000 US dollars.
You know what? When I actually see
So I
that,
just kept my Bitcoin.
it's a few thousand and then 10,000, and then it go to 30,000. And after the first winning, I didn't actually get back in because somehow I got a job to do, and then when I look back, what the 20 grand, double, more than double already, and then
Check it out.
30,000. Actually, I make the money already. I cash in already.
Congratulations.
And then you go to 30,000, and then you regret, and then boom, come down again.
Yep.
And then you think that, okay, this one is just like a scam. It busts, and then you never come up. And who know that you actually today is 60,000, and then now today actually gone back to 50 or something.
55, yeah, from a top of 74,000 down to 55.
So
people are starting to freak out and panic right now.
yeah, who knows? Maybe it will actually come back down to 30 again.
Absolutely. In the history of Bitcoin, it has reached the top of whatever, and it's dropped down around about 70%. It's done it several times.
More than.
Up here, 100 down to 30, 100 down to 70% drops are quite common. But the longer the Bitcoin keeps going, the more mature it becomes, the less volatile it becomes. And recently, we reached a high of 74,000, and it's dropped down to today 54,000.
Yeah.
That's only
And I
what, the
know
drop of
that-
what, 30%? That's